Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be reviewing a product which has been launched recently, Quizitri. The video content here goes like this: a small introduction, how does it work, what do you get inside of Quizitri, a few testimonials, pricing and conclusion. Alright, let's start the video with a quick introduction. Quizitri is a 60 lead challenge that helps you generate leads for your business or services in under a week, and it is proven to have worked in various niches. They say it has worked for both people with experience and also people who have zero experience with generating leads. How it works. Now here is everything what you'll do in the next 6 days. But reading out all this will take a lot of time, so I'll explain what I have learned after going through all this. In the next 6 days, you'll learn how to hold quizzes that are related to your product or services, and you'll be running Facebook ads to generate targeted leads. You might have questions like, how am I going to get questions for my quizzes? Will I be able to make enough questions? Will audience find my questions interesting enough to answer? Will I be able to keep my audience hooked up to my quizzes? How am I going to run Facebook ads? You don't have to worry about anything. You'll be provided with questions that are fun to answer. You'll be making simple eye-catching Facebook ads, and do not worry about that too, because everything is ready for you. You'll just have to follow the instructions and generate high quality leads in the next 6 days. So now let's see what do you get inside of Quizitri. First we have is the ultimate quiz builder. Whether you're building a simple quiz or highly advanced lead machine, it's always easy with Quizitri. You create your questions, pick a template and hit publish. Complete template library. Pick from over a large collection of pro-designed templates and you've got a high quality quiz ready to publish in seconds. No design work required. Pro-designed landing pages. We promised you'd be collecting leads in 6 days or less without a landing page. And these stunning landing pages are why. They're already created for you. You choose your favorite and we'll host them on our ultra fast servers. Done for you output input pages. No need to mess around with code or expensive third-party software. Just connect your autoresponder via the magic of one-click API integration and you'll be ready to collect leads. Simple social sharing. 84% of quizzes are shared on social media, making the viral potential of any given quiz truly remarkable. Almost as remarkable as how easy Quizitri makes sharing them. Mobile responsive quizzes. On the bus, on the train, waiting in the supermarket queue, during work, at the gym, even on a date. In a mobile obsessed world, a marketer who masters mobile wins. Auto redirects. Once your quiz is over, you can redirect your user to a purpose-built page to deliver their results. Sell your product or get more engagement, ensuring fluency of branding, happy leads and quick sales. Easy list segmentation. Quizitri can send your leads to different lists based on their quiz outcome, letting you divide your leads into ultra targeted groups and mail them just the products they are likely to want to buy. Custom CTAs. Use a call to action button on your outcome pages to direct people to the next stage of your funnel for an almost immediate ROAS. Quiz styling. Quiz styling makes sure you love every quiz you publish by giving you a huge amount of creative control over fonts, colors, and even your call to action buttons. Embedded HTML. We promised you no websites during your 6-day lead challenge, but what if you have one and you gosh darn well want to use it to harness your traffic and get more leads? Embedded inline HTML is your answer, letting you place your quiz almost anywhere. Zapier integration. Zapier seems to be taking over the online world, and rightly so. By creating Zaps, you'll be able to customize your prospect's journey from the first question to your email list and beyond. Now, for the first time, your quizzes will be perfectly synced across all your most important online platforms. Real analytics. Trustworthy analytics are essential to any successful business, so we built them in and made them easy to use and understand, because if you can't measure it, did it even happen? Plus all the key features we think any premium quiz software should be offering as standards, like GDPR checkbox and compliance, question weighing, which branching, URL parameters, image questions, image answers, which captions, and more. Now let's see what type of results are people getting by using Quizitri. Here we have 3 case studies of 3 different people. Diana Miles case study. Key takeaway: 10 new leads acquired in highly competitive niche. Skincare is a highly competitive niche in Australia, so any lead is valuable. I generally sell products between $20 to $50. Although skincare means skincare, I often sell products at a much higher price point. Not that it matters, because the Quizitri lead challenge has already got me 10 leads for a total cost of $46.44. A lead for just $4.46. I'll take that every day of the week, as all I have no problem converting them into a profit, especially as many customers tend to purchase more than one item and often return multiple times to buy either the same product or try something new. Better still, because I'm using quizzes, I'm now learning about my customer preferences, which helps me tailor future offers to them, choose a more targeted inventory, and send them emails that are more appropriate. As you can probably tell, I'm pretty stocked. Diana Miles, Australia. Tracy Hooper case study. Key takeaway: after getting 10 new leads from the lead challenge with next to zero effort, quizzes have become a full-time lead generation strategy. As a personal style coach, a lot of my lead gen has come via social media and a little direct outreach. Quizzes were quite a bit different from my usual strategy, so when I decided to give them a go, I did not know what to expect. I have to say I'm really pleased. My clients pay either $499, $1,000 or $55,000. So the fact that I have already generated 10 new leads is just fab. I think it's fair to say the lead challenge has convinced me to keep using quizzes by simply doing what it promised to do. And that's bring me more leads to grow my business. Thank you. Tracy Hooper, personal style coach. Stuart Webb case study. Key takeaway: getting a $1,500 client for roughly $20. Before taking the lead challenge, I was chasing leads the same way as everyone else. AdWords, networking, and cold calling is fine, but quizzes enable me to offer my prospects something completely different. By using quizzes, I have been able to educate prospects without it feeling boring or preachy. Instead, they are encouraged to think about what they are trying to achieve and the best solution on offer. Obviously, I offer those solutions. But the funny thing is, many people are taking the quiz and discovering solutions to problems they didn't even know they have. Which is why it's no surprise I have been collecting leads for just $6.73. That's incredible when you consider each client is worth at least $1,500 to me. On average, I expect to convert around 25 to 30% of the leads I'm getting. So that's roughly $20 for a $1,500 client. Going forwards, I plan to keep using quizzes to deliver educational materials as an ongoing lead generation technique. The way I see it, I can produce a quiz in a few hours, then get value out of it time and time again by using it to generate targeted leads, to test knowledge after training, to entertain prospects, and to gather data when looking for new product ideas. It's already paying for itself, so what's not to like? Stuart Webb. Now let's come to the pricing. Quizitri has 2 plans, a basic one and the challenge. The basic one has no access to the 60 lead challenge, while the challenge has it. And if you are planning to get Quizitri, I'll suggest you go for the challenge, because getting the basic one is of no use. Because if you go with the challenge, you'll be getting access to 60 lead challenge, 30 build quizzes, 5 custom domains, can collect up to 10,000 leads, and many other features. And everything you get is just for $49. And you don't have to pay again and again. Let me make sure that you'll have to invest at least $50 to run ads to generate your leads. And also, if Quizitri don't work for you, you don't have to worry, because it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now let's come to my conclusion. I think using quizzes is a great idea to generate leads, because you can formulate the type of questions that can give you a clear idea of what people want, and you can use that data to sell your products or services easily. And even if this thing don't work, you don't have to worry a bit, because you get 30-day money back guarantee. So a $49 investment is no big deal if it's worth a $1,500 client. If you want to buy Quizitri, you can use my link and you'll get an extra bonus on how you can write the highly converting emails for products or services. So this is it for the video guys. Thank you for watching.